Greetings boys and girls and welcome to Infinite Smiles. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the two cards that are in the thumbnail. Before we get started we need our supplies, which are cards. We can't make cards without our cards, so we can. Next we need our felt. We're using black, light brown, dark brown, pink and red. Next we need sellotape and your eyes. You can get your eyes very cheap, by the way. We'll need a palette for putting our glue into, a glue spatula, a glue stick to stick stuff down as well, a pencil, a rubber, a sharpener, and for this here I use PVA glue. Let's start with the reindeer first. What I recommend doing is drawing your reindeer out, but to get an idea of the size, put your card down a bit of A4 paper, draw around your card and then draw your reindeer inside your card, then cut it out. Put your reindeer onto the dark brown felt, hold it in place with sellotape. I recommend using Pritt stick, but just put it on really lightly. Get someone to pull, like with both hands around the antlers, maybe to help you cut it out, because they make it a lot tighter, because this actually did take me quite some time to do this. When you cut out the antlers, they will look something like this. Next, use your brown felt to cut out the top half of the face or head. The ears are easy enough to cut out, but see the top with the hair, that can be really hard, so make sure you take your time. Whenever you have your antlers, the top half of your head with your ears and your hair, and the bottom half, which is going to be your mouth, your face, this is what it'll look like when it's cut out. Next, we will do the nose. I recommend using a big red pom-pom for this, but I only have like wee small ones, but they are. This is where if you had fabric glue, you would use that instead, or a hot glue gun, which I had liner, so I use PVA glue instead. Next, we will do the mouth. Cut out two very small strips, one in a curve and one maybe like a slight curve for the tongue. One is going to be the mouth and one is going to be put onto the tongue. Cut out, you can just do this here freehand, you have to draw around it with the tongue. Cut out like a semicircle kind of shape for doing the tongue on your pink felt, and then glue your mouth on first, the black. Put the tongue, the pink felt on top of that there, then put a strip of black onto the tongue to give it the line and the. When we put our antlers, our head, our nose, our tongue, and our eyes, and glue it all together and put it on our card, it will look something like this. I'm not too sure if I said this here earlier on in the video, but this is why I would recommend probably not using PVA glue. If you look at the card right now on the left hand side, that's basically when you open it up. On the other side, on the outside, is obviously where you have your reindeer to sign on. You can see like the puffiness, probably because the liquid in the card maybe is like soaked through. Even after like days of like drying it out, it'll still look like this here, so maybe try a different glue. Fabric glue or a glue gun or a Pritt stick. Next we are on to our Santa Claus. As I said before when doing the reindeer, get your drawing, get your card, put your card on a piece of A4 paper, draw on your card so you have your frame, and then draw your Santa inside your frame and it will look like this. This time around, instead of using sellotape to hold everything in place, I decided to use a Pritt stick. Whenever you use the Pritt stick, by the way, you're not looking to glue stuff down and hold it in place for a very long time. Like the end result with the card, this is just temporary to hold it down, so we'll use a glue stick. Just use light strokes on it to hold it in place, so when you can trace around with your scissors and cut it out. So first we will cut out the hat, the top of the hat, the side of the hat, and the body, and then it will look something a lot like this. Next, cut out your face on the pink felt. Then I would stick on the bottom half of your body first. Then you can put on your hat at the top and the side. Then glue your face. Make sure you glue your face down a bit to leave room for the pom-poms for like the bottom half of the hat. When you put it all together on your card, it'll look a lot like this here. Make sure to put your eyes on top as well. The amazing thing about the eyes is just peel the back of them off and just stick them on. You don't need any glue or any sellotape. That's basically it, self-adhesive. I actually messed up here with the nose, so at the right hand side, where the nose was supposed to be, just below the eyes, I decided to put a pink pom-pom on instead to make it a lot easier and better looking as well. Next up, glue your white pom-poms on. You can probably use cotton wool instead. Recommend, as I said, fabric glue. Try the glue gun as well. I can't really vouch for that because I haven't used any before. I'll use a glue gun, like that was back years ago when I was a kid, so a very long time ago. What I would do is when you go left to right, put a wee bit of glue on, put the pom-poms on, move on the section, glue pom-poms, don't put in your glue all on at once and then your pom-poms, just in case the glue maybe like dries too quick. If you need more glue, use it. But as I said, try out fabric glue and glue gun and you'll probably have a better result than I did. Next, to the right hand side, just down and slightly to the right of the pink pom-pom for the nose, put a big massive black pom-pom and glue that on, and that'll be your mouth, and then you can do your beard all the way around it. When you're finished, you have two cards that look just like this here. Make sure you set them, I would say 24 to 48 hours, so it's a day or two, for them to dry for you. Also, be sure to get them cards to whoever you're sending to. Last minute top tips. When using the felt, as I said in the video, basically near the start, get someone to help you pull it, to cut it so it's like tight, so it's a lot easier to cut because it can take a long time. It's not as easy as cutting a card or paper. Also, as I said, use fabric glue or glue gun. That'll probably work better for like a better result for you. Because if you open up the card and inside it's all like puffy, because like maybe the liquid of the PVA glue, because it's like probably like watery. Also, don't be afraid to ask someone else for help or experiment. Arts and crafts all about experimenting. Anyways, Merry Christmas, and as always, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you're going to try it, any of these cards at all, or let me know what cards you're planning on making over Christmas. Thank you for watching. Merry Vidoes.